Hi everyone, in this video I am going to take you completed home renovation and horizontally extended project which is located in Isro Layout, Bangalore. The founder of Coucal Interiors, Bangalore. Coming to this property, G+1 load bearing structure is 27-year-old. According to client requirement, when he approached Coucal Interiors, horizontally extension and renovation, spacious living area and open modular kitchen with utility, puja unit beside the TV unit, front elevation and single slope Bangalore double roof tile pergola. According to client requirement, we designed structural plan with 3D view of entire house before start the work. Once client finalized the plan, we started to demolish parapet wall and remove plaster on terrace to mark on site according to drawing. Here we completed basic procedure to start extension and renovation of this project. Part 2 of this project video will be updated soon. For more videos about end-to-end old home renovation, bathroom renovation, interior design and different types of pergola, hence to get notification of part 2 video of this project, please subscribe our channel Coucal Interiors Bangalore. Thank you.